Hi, everybody. So, I am going to go over your I can statements this week for math. So, when we talk about I can statements, basically what we are doing is we are taking the skill that we want to learn and that we are going to learn this week, and we're saying the words I can do this, and this. So, let me give you an example. So this week, we are supposed to be learning to draw rays, angles, perpendicular and parallel lines. We're supposed to be able to describe them and identify them. And these I can statements really break that down for us. So by the end of this week and the next week, you'll be able to say, so I'm reading off of this first one right here. I can use tools and technology to draw rays, angles, and perpendicular and parallel lines. So if you're wondering what the heck are perpendicular lines, well, this week you're going to be able to learn about them and you're going to be able to draw them, which I know a lot of our work now, obviously it's not a piece of paper that I pick up from you. So I might ask you to take a picture of lines that you have drawn or rays that you have drawn and submit it to me. Our next I can statement is I can describe and identify rays, right, acute, and obtuse angles, and perpendicular and parallel lines. So we'll learn about types of lines, we will learn about rays, and all types of angles this week, so you'll be able to say that you can describe them and identify them. Our last I can statement this week for math is I can find rays, angles, perpendicular and parallel lines in two-dimensional shapes. So last week we started with shapes, and this is why, because we have to know what our shapes are to be able to find rays and angles and perpendicular and parallel lines within our shapes. So these are just a couple I can statements this week, and this is our introduction for math.